Hello, I need a head to go on. Can somebody find me a head? I have a beautiful hairline.
Hello. So that worked well, didn't it? So Farakh's in today. This is the second system of the two that he ordered a while back. So what we're going to be doing today, normally I show Farakh's old system, which is usually a year plus old by the time he has a new one fitted. But the one he's going to come in wearing today is actually, I think we did it in December, early December, I think we did it. And so from that point to this point, it's only been 7 months. So we're going to see what Farakh looks like in a 7-month-old system when he comes in today. Then we'll remove it. And of course, we'll then video the fitting for this one, which is the second of the two that he ordered a while ago. So I've yet to take the lace trim off, which I will do. And we shall get this show on the road. So here we are, as promised. This is Farakh's 7-month-old system. We did this back in early December, 2021, that would be. So yeah, it's as you can see, his crown looks really kind of natural still. I mean, this is a great thing about the lace ones, getting the lace color right. It just looks like scalp, even when they do start to thin. So yeah, it's probably thinning a little bit. If I get in focus through the middle a little bit there, but you know, not too bad considering. And today Farakh's actually on a sort of tape attachment. Now, generally, tape attachments don't look as good as, well, they definitely don't look as good as glue attachment, but you get like a bit of a rippling effect with them. But that said, in Farakh's case, he does pull it off quite well. So anyway, that's the 7-month-old system. Needs a bit of a haircut as well. I'm going to cut all this so sort of blend is back in again today. But that's that one. So that's going in the spare box. Hello and welcome to the tournament. Here we go. Harry Boi over there. Get him on film. There he is. That's my opponent. This is what we're paying for. Let's get into it. Thank you, Ivy. 1, 2, 3. My set and best rally of the game. Get that tournament. Where's that trophy? There you go, Harry Boi. What's like a say for the camera?
Easy. You suck at table tennis.
I don't think so. Yes, I'm so pleased. I can't believe it. It's like the best feeling of my entire life. I just want to thank my coach, my family, my friends. I want to thank Harry for doing his best, but unfortunately losing to me. See you next week. Yeah!